Hey, good day, guys. So today we're going to be expelling some rats out of a house entering in behind the drywall. We've got a really good one today where the rats are coming up beside the sewer system eating some concrete, and so they've found an easy entry point in with a poor concrete that wasn't done properly professionally with rebar and stuff, making the concrete really brittle, allowing the rats to chew it and get inside to this house. So come along with me and we're going to see all this fun stuff today and how we get these rats out of here for once and for all. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're here again and dealing with another common problem that we have here with rats. Sometimes foundations and stuff don't get poured fully properly and there's a gap left. Rats do have the ability to chew through concrete and expand holes. So what we've got here today is a really good entry point coming in. So we're gonna have to clean this up, attach a one-way door, and make sure that these guys are rat free. All right, so you can see here the rats are coming in off the foundation of the house and gaining access that way. So stay tuned. All right, so we got all this cleaned up here, and then we can see that over time someone has done their own pour and didn't do a professional pour without using rebar and stuff, allowing the rats access between the two concrete slabs coming and going from the sewer system. All right, guys, so here we're just going to get a door set up to allow everyone out, and we're just going to put this together. All right, guys, so we've taken our time and we've done up a box blocking off the access point and putting a one-way door on here to allow the rats to come out.